Welcome to this video about the latest buzz in the world of mobile technology, the iPhone 15. In this video, we'll be exploring everything we know so far about Apple's highly anticipated release. The iPhone 15 is expected to launch in the fall of 2023, and rumors suggest that it will come with a range of exciting new features and improvements. One of the most talked about developments is the possibility of a foldable screen. While nothing has been confirmed by Apple yet, there are rumors that they may be working on a foldable iPhone that would allow users to fold their device in half for easier storage and portability. In addition to the foldable screen, the iPhone 15 is also rumored to come with a faster A17 chip, which will make the device even more powerful and responsive than previous models. Another exciting development is the possibility of a new camera system. While the iPhone 13 already has an impressive camera, the iPhone 15 is expected to take things to the next level with a new and improved camera system that will include a larger sensor and better image stabilization. Finally, there are also rumors that the iPhone 15 will come with improved battery life. While it's unclear exactly what changes Apple will make to improve battery life, it's safe to say that many users will be excited about the prospect of a longer-lasting battery. Of course, these are all just rumors and speculation at this point, so it's important to take them with a grain of salt. So, whether you're an Apple fan or simply a tech enthusiast, be sure to keep an eye out for the iPhone 15 when it's released later this year. It's sure to be a device that's packed with exciting new features and innovations that will take the mobile world by storm.